Hello, you're welcome. And in this video, I am going to be explaining what and how I use lead qualification bots for real estate business using LangFlow. And the problem it actually solves is that, of course, when you generate your leads, you want to qualify, you want to sort out your qualified leads from unqualified ones, and it takes time manually chatting with people, but this bots application can do that, send out prompts, reply to prompts, and even give instant response. This way the business would be able to filter between your buyers and your serious buyers and your potential customers and those who are just like filling in the form. So, and basically you can do this by probably getting to LangFlow, set up the environment. And in my own case, I'm using Windows, so I picked the third instance, and this is highly recommended if you are on Mac OS. So this is my interface, and in the next video I'm going to explain to you my solution. Thank you, and let's get started. So currently we have this real estate. We have two projects on board. The first one is the real estate support bot, where we actually set up our prompts to collect some basic data, and using our module as our LLM. And this case, I'm actually setting up with Open Router. My constraint was that I initially tried to use Open AI, and I discovered that I need to make some payments in order to have. So I set it up on Open Router, and I used a very free model. That is the first one. I'm also working, and I discovered another solution with Astra database, and this is where I created a database, and from this Astra I could also set up my LangFlow. Interestingly, this is what I did, and I did this as a model. This is the database integration where we set up our database airline AI agents, and we set up the environment. So we have the prompts, we have the chat inputs, we have the prompts that gets the customer ID. I pass the customer ID and set a prompt as the agent instruction. This is an agent we are currently setting up, and this is the output here. So what I have here is the limitation I'm having here is the limitation of the model that I'm using. So the third aspect was this. When I was talking about the model, I used the Open Router, and I actually use the free version. I just want to explain. Let me just put a prompt, explain real estate. So anytime you put in your prompt, the application will come up with a very good response, and this is the model that I'm currently trying to improve on. So you can see the time, so it is real time. So I haven't gone through this solution, and of course I must say that I made use of ChatGPT, and also research online some videos. So definitely I'm working on improving my results, and I say thank you to people who have given support in different ways or the other. So this is a solution we are coming up with, and let me say thank you for providing these assets. Okay, thank you, and God bless.